Hi, thanks for joining me. In this video, I'll be discussing citizenship. How do you become a Canadian citizen? In order to become a Canadian citizen, you have to be a permanent resident first. And you have to demonstrate that you've been in Canada as a permanent resident 3 years in the last 5 years. That's it. That's the requirement. If you have 3 years in the last 5 years, you can apply to become a citizen. Keep in mind, citizenship applications are a lengthy process, unfortunately. They're quite backlogged. You're looking at about 12 months, if not longer. So in that time, keep your PR card valid, especially if you're trying to travel. Until your citizenship is approved and until you've received your Canadian passport, it is still your responsibility to make sure that your travel document, your PR card, is still valid. One last thing that I'm going to say that clients come to me is, what happens if I get a minor criminal charge on my record? Can I still apply for citizenship? And the answer is quite simple. If it's a summary offense, yes, you can. If it's not, do not apply. In fact, do not apply for a renewal on your PR card either. Sit tight, don't do anything until you've received the Canadian pardon. Once you've received that, then apply for the next document. If you apply for your citizenship application while you have an inadmissibility, the application will be rejected or returned to you. If you apply for a PR card renewal while you have a criminality, the PR card will be revoked and you will be deported. So if there's any issues in relation to applying for the PR card or applying for citizenship, refrain from submitting that application because it could cause more issues for you. Call me and I'll let you know if you're eligible. Thank you, and until next time.